back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Elam. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, join the gang, or whatever. So, as you can tell by the title, in today's video, I'm just going to be doing my everyday drugstore makeup tutorial edition, because last time I did my everyday makeup tutorial. You can go watch it up there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing I start off with is my eyebrows. But anyways, as I was saying, my other makeup tutorial hit 10K, which is crazy. Like, never expected it.
I never expected it.
It's kind of surprising because when I first started YouTube, I was so doubtful. Like, I doubted myself so much. I didn't even think I would get like 1,000 views. Not even, I didn't even think I'd get like 100 views. I took it more serious. When I hit like 100 subscribers, I was like, okay, I might actually do something with this. So this is like the best primer I've ever used. I mean, it's like the only primer. Actually, yeah, it is. It's like the only primer I've used, and I really like it. It's really affordable. You can get it at Walmart, Amazon. I got it from Amazon, but you can also find it in Walmart. After that, I use my powder. It basically just gets rid of your like smile lines, your under eye bags, and stuff like that before you put on your foundation. It makes your foundation look way smoother and better, and like it just lasts longer too. And I just recommend it 100%. But trust me, this is very helpful. If it works for me, it'll definitely work for you. I've taken some time off of YouTube just to like brainstorm where I want to take my channel and what I want to do, and I've just come up with a lot of good ideas. Moving on to foundation. The hardest thing to do is starting. Like, starting YouTube was so hard. Even throughout, I just kept doubting myself. I'm like, what if it's not for me? Like, it's hard. I don't know, blah blah blah. But then I still got up, still filmed videos, even on days where I felt like, oh my god, my channel's not going anywhere. Like, holy, like when I first started out, then I'm like, you know what, I'm still new, so let's just not lose hope just yet. Then I just kept uploading. I did not give up. Here we are. It's amazing. It's an amazing thing, isn't it? Yeah, I've come a long way. I feel like my videos are a bit boring. I'm not really showing like my full personality, like full me. I don't know why, but it's probably because I'm filming my videos at like nighttime when I literally have no energy. You see how flawlessly this is blending out? But anyways, I'm getting to the point where I'm kind of just comfortable with just doing whatever I want on my channel, because at the end of the day, who gonna check me?
Who gonna check me? Who gonna check me?
Okay, and whose channel is it? Me. Oh yeah, okay. Want to bring more like excitement and energy and like engagement into my videos instead of just like boring, like trying to say like, hi guys, so this is this. No, that is not you, baby. That is not me, baby. That's not how I act. So I don't know what's going on. Like, I think I'm just trying to like not fit into that stereotypical black girl, loud, ghetto, ratchet, blah blah blah. But guess what? It's 2020, man. I don't care. If you don't like my content, don't watch it. There's how many other YouTubers out there. And if you like my content, stay. And I want to bring more content so like guys and girls can watch it, because most of my stuff is like beauty and stuff for like girls. I mean, yes, there's guys watching it, but you know what I mean. I want to make content for everybody to watch. And I know there's some younger audience that watch me, little kids. So I'm gonna try and stop swearing in my videos. Like, I know my little sisters, sometimes they watch my videos. Let's not swear, because there's probably other little kids that watch. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let it sit for a bit. While I let it sit, I'm gonna just use mascara. I usually let my, wow, I have eyelashes, guys. Oh my days. Do y'all see that? I know you see it. Your shorty's got eyelashes. Excuse me? What? Huh? I can hear my eyelashes. I can't see. No, they're too big. I can't. I just want to bring out my personality more on YouTube, because that's how I really am. So why am I hiding it? So I went to Marshall's a while back. I seen this contour palette and I was like, hey, let me try it out. This is what it looks like, right? Tell me why 1, 2, 3, 4 could be my foundation shade. All 4 of these could be my foundation shade. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Excuse me?
4 spots.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
4 spots. And they're all the same? And I really played myself because I really spent money thinking, I thought I was light skinned, I thought I was white. Delusional. Like, wow, is it crack I'm smoking? I really picked it up and put it on the counter. I know the lady there, she's probably like, are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
You're not embarrassed. This is really embarrassing.
If I run out of my foundation, I'll just use it. And then these bright colors, I could use it for an eyeshadow base. Now let's blend it out. It's flying by, but then it's also really slow. Why is the sun going down at 3? Not even 2. Why is the sun setting at 2 p.m.? We let her sit and bake. Okay, I'm gonna use the darkest. No, I think I'm gonna use this one. Not me being ghetto. Ooh, child, the ghetto. And it had a white refrigerator. Not the white refrigerator.
It has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator.
If you know where that is from, that's great. If you don't, it's great. Like I said, this year is mad. This year is crazy. And I love it. But this month, November, like November really flew by, but I will remember this month for the rest of my life because first of all, Central C. Anyways, Central C is my favorite UK drill rapper. I discovered him on TV and I was like, damn, he's really good at music. I'm like, Ben. I followed him on Instagram and everything, and yeah, and this one day I decided to post a video of myself on my story, and I used his song and I added him. I put his @ and when you put people's @ on Instagram, it goes directly into their DMs, so that's what happened. And then he seen it and then I was freaking out, guys. When I say I was on the floor crawling, I was yelling, I was jumping. I did not know how to act because I'm like, my favorite rapper, me, he seen my DM. That happened and I was freaking out. Like, imagine your favorite rapper. Oh my goodness. Like, if you like Lil TJ, if you like Polo G, if you like Lil Baby, whoever rapper, Da Baby, whoever your favorite rapper is, Megan Thee Stallion, Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, and they discover you, girl, you would not know how to act either. You would not know how to act. I did not know how to act. I'm so sorry. I was about to act up. I did act up. I did not know how to act. And then I made a TikTok about it, and that TikTok went viral, and now it's at like 64,000 views. And yeah, so that's kind of the beginning of my TikTok career. Literally the love of my life. But ever since that day, nobody can check me, nobody can tell me anything because my self-esteem has went all the way up to the moon. You can't say I'm ugly. You cannot say that because Central C, no. Clearly I'm not. That's on period. I will always talk about this till the death of me, so if you are sick and tired of this, go ahead and unsubscribe. The reason. That's probably why God did it, so my self-esteem can go back up. It's not like I never had self-esteem, it's just I didn't think I was that bitch. But now I know I'm that bitch. Wait till your favorite rapper notices you, or just your favorite celebrity, or just somebody who's your favorite, and you will not know how to act. Trust me. But one thing that I realized is that as I'm growing, a lot of like people that have like a bigger platform than me are gonna start noticing me, and I cannot be acting like a fan. Okay, so that is basically just an end to this video, and I really like how it turned out. It turned out amazing, turned out great, turned out perfect. My skin looks flawless, the foundation looks amazing, the concealer, everything is just blended out nicely, like, period. Anyways, yeah, so if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you try out this look, let me know because I really want to know, like, if this is helping someone out or am I just wasting time, because girl, I could be doing something else with my time, but as long as it's helping someone, then that's fine. That's what keeps me going. If you have any questions, just let me know down below. All the products will be listed down below. Also, let's get to 2,000 subscribers before my birthday, which is January 21st. So share this video with anybody you think will enjoy my content, any family members, your partner, friends, cousins, anybody. Let's try and get to 2K. That'd be like the best birthday present ever. 2,000 subscribers. Like what? That's mad. And if I don't get to that too, it's fine. Like I'm already at 1,000. Like that's already a big deal for me. If you want to know where this hair is from, it'll be in the description. If you want to see a video on how I installed the hair, it'll be up there. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see my other makeup tutorials, it'll be up there and in the description as well. And if you have any looks you want me to try out, just send it to me on Instagram or Snapchat. If you have any questions, just DM them to me. Any video recommendations, just let me know. But besides that, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.